Hey everyone, today I would like to introduce my favorite musical drama for you. As you can see, The Cats is very classical, Yeah, it's very old. The first performance of The Cats was in 1981 in London, and it was composed by Andrew Weber, and it is based on one of the T.S. Eliot poem, The Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. And this guy is T.S. Eliot, and this is the poem. The content of the poem, along with the names of the featured cats, were appropriate. As you can see, there are many weird and featured names of cats. Yeah, of those cats. This is one of the plot of the drama, and in this plot, they were singing about the normal names of the cats. And the cats have won many awards from 1981 to today. As you can see, in 1981, he has won the Best New Musical and Outstanding Achievement in Musical of Laurence Olivier Awards, and in 1983, it has won and nominated many awards of Tony Awards, and in 2015, it has nominated to the Best Musical Revival and the Best Actress in a Supporting Role in Music of Laurence Olivier Awards, and in 2016, it also nominated the Best Musical Revival and the Best Actress in Musical of What's on Stage Awards. And today, in 2017, it also nominated the Drama League Awards and the Drama Desk Awards. Yeah, lots of awards. This drama is very beautiful and very featured. As you can see, like the white kite in the middle is a black kite. She's very young and elegant and beautiful. And in the right, it's a crazy, right? It's very crazy. It's a real big cat, and he has he has one pair of big glasses when he was working, and in the left, actually they're thieves. Yeah, they're thieves, and very naughty, and all of them dislike them. And this guy is he is very handsome, right? Yeah, he's the adult cat. He's very fancy, and many of the young cats very love him. And this guy, he's like the big brother. He can care of all of the cats and get them to do what they should do. And in the right, she is my favorite cat. He's the favorite cat, and in the past, he's very famous, and he's a superstar. But now he's very old, and he has sung a very famous song, Memory. And the Memory is sung by the character Grisabella, a long-time glamour cat who is now only a shell of her former self. The song is a nostalgic remembrance of her glorious past and the declaration of her wish to start a new life. I'd like to play the song for you. It's very old and very classical. Yeah, it's a little part. And I was very proud of this. Yeah, this is Chinese cat. This is Chinese, and the first performance was in 1912 in Beijing. Yeah, I love this drama, and I would like to introduce you and invited you to watch this. That's all. Thank you.